Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Why is Dogecoin jumping? Dogecoin bullish bets reach record $1 billion. Next, Wells Fargo Merrill to offer Bitcoin ETFs to wealth management clients, says Bloomberg. Also, Bitcoin ETF trading frenzy continues after record $673 million net inflows as BTC price nears record. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube, and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: Dogecoin bullish bets reach record $1 billion. The tokens were up over 40% in the past 24 hours, continuing a rally as a beta bet on the blockchains they are based upon. Traders are using prominent meme tokens such as Dogecoin or Doge and Bonk or BONK as ecosystem bets for their respective blockchains, Ethereum and Solana. Doge futures set a record open interest at $1 billion, indicative of the strong interest in the tokens. Nearly 70% of these bets were on the long side. Traders are continuing to use prominent meme tokens as ecosystem bets on their respective blockchains, boosting Dogecoin futures to set a record level. Doge tokens were up as much as 40% before giving back some gains in the past 24 hours as Bitcoin rallied to over $63,000 from $59,000. Doge led gains among major tokens and significantly beat the broader CoinDesk 20 or CD20 index, which is up nearly 7.8% in the same period. Open interest, or the amount of unsettled bets on Doge futures, increased over 54% since Wednesday. CoinGlass data shows setting a lifetime record of $1 billion in bets involving the tokens. An increase in open interest means new or extra money entering the market. Data shows 70% of traders are long Doge, expecting it to go higher. As such, data from CryptoQuant tracking Doge price action shows the token's Relative Strength Index, or RSI, a measure of the rate of change of prices, has reached the overbought level, one that indicates a possible trend reversal in the coming days. Fundamentally, Dogecoin developers released the network's core version 1.14.7 on Tuesday, a minor release that amped up security and upgraded node operators. Another relatively recent technical improvement was the introduction of ordinals on the Dogecoin blockchain, with some developers even releasing popular games that run wholly using Dogecoin. Some in crypto circles say meme tokens may be more attractive to retail investors as the bull market continues, mainly due to their relevance in popular culture, low unit bias, and familiarity. Meanwhile, data from CoinGlass shows shorts or bets against Doge lost over $40 million in the past 24 hours. Liquidation occurs when an exchange forcefully closes a trader's leveraged position as a safety mechanism due to a partial or total loss of initial margin. That happens primarily in futures trading, which only tracks asset prices, as opposed to spot trading, where traders own the actual assets. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline: Wells Fargo Merrill to offer Bitcoin ETFs to wealth management clients, says Bloomberg. Clear investor demand for BTC funds have convinced some firms to make them available to clients, Edelman Financial Engine's founder says. Wells Fargo and Bank of America's Merrill have begun offering Bitcoin ETFs to some of their wealth management clients. Bloomberg first reported the news, citing unnamed sources. Spot Bitcoin ETFs are available for unsolicited purchases through an advisor with Wells Fargo Advisors or through our online Wells Trade platform, a Wells Fargo spokesperson said. Spokespeople for Bank of America's Merrill arm didn't immediately return requests for comment on the report. Brokerage giants Fidelity and Charles Schwab started giving investors access to Bitcoin ETFs after their launch on January 11th. Vanguard, meanwhile, has called the investment case for cryptocurrencies weak, and users of its brokerage platform were blocked from buying and selling the funds. Unlike stocks and bonds, most crypto assets lack intrinsic economic value and generate no cash flows, a Vanguard spokesperson previously told Blockworks. And cryptocurrencies' high volatility runs counter to our goal of helping investors generate positive real returns over the long term. Rick Edelman, founder of Edelman Financial Services, has said he expects Bitcoin ETFs to ultimately see widespread availability from most registered investment advisors, or RIAs, and brokerage firms. But wirehouses such as Morgan Stanley, Merrill Lynch, and Wells Fargo are likely to be slower to offer such funds, he noted last month. Big firms are engaging, but their bureaucracies move slowly, Edelman said Thursday. Investment committees and compliance and risk management officers aren't going to capitulate to pressure from the sales and marketing teams. On Wednesday, CoinDesk reported that Morgan Stanley was looking into offering Bitcoin ETFs to some customers. A spokesperson for Morgan Stanley declined to comment on the report. In January, a separate section of Wells Fargo Advisors, began offering Bitcoin ETFs to customers. However, clients specifically had to seek out such products, according to a report from Investment News. Bitcoin ETFs have put up record numbers this week, notching new highs for both trade volume and net inflows as Bitcoin hovers around $60,000. The clear investor demand for these products has convinced some firms they need to offer them to their clients, Edelman noted. The demand, along with rapidly rising prices, are spurring firms to accelerate their activities, he told Blockworks. Every day they don't let their advisors allocate, they get complaints from both reps and clients, which serves nobody's best interests. Our next top headline: Bitcoin ETF trading frenzy continues after record $673 million net inflow as BTC price nears record. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, IBIT, surpassed $1 billion in trading volume Thursday for the fourth consecutive day. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF is among the top 10 most traded ETFs during the day, bar chart shows. Demand for spot Bitcoin ETFs accelerated this week, notching a record $673 million net inflow Wednesday, according to BitMEX research data. The trading frenzy among U.S.-listed spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds continued Thursday after attracting their biggest single-day net inflow amid Wednesday's busy session. BlackRock's ETF, known as IBIT, which has the second biggest asset total among Bitcoin ETFs, was again among the top 10 most traded ETFs in the U.S. around midday hours Thursday, and posted over $1 billion in trading volume for the fourth consecutive day according to bar chart data. As of 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, almost 36 million IBIT shares worth over $1.2 billion changed hands with 2 hours left of the trading session, per bar chart. Grayscale's GBTC and Fidelity's FBTC are also having a strong day, trading over $880 million and $660 million, respectively, so far. These strong figures follow Wednesday's record-breaking day when the 10 spot Bitcoin ETFs traded $7.7 billion in total, with BlackRock's IBIT hitting $3.3 billion in volume. Spot Bitcoin ETFs also attracted $673 million of net inflows Wednesday, the largest single-day allocation since their debut in early January. BitMEX research data shows BlackRock's IBIT alone attracted $612 million inflows, a record high. Only one or two other ETFs on the planet are taking in cash as fast as IBIT right now, Eric Balchanas, senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence, said in an X post. Bitcoin is having a quieter session on Thursday, with the CoinDesk Bitcoin Index, or XBX, hovering around $61,000, down 0.3% over the past 24 hours. It's lagging behind the broad market CoinDesk 20 Index, or CD20, which is up over 3%. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.